What's up, guys? A new trailer just dropped. It's season 3. Season 3 of Squid Game official teaser. I'm gonna prove it. When I click to the channel, it's named Netflix. Season 2 official teaser trailer. And Season 2 is already out. So Season 3 is now here. Let's see. Who's at the coffee? Oh. Who's at the coffee? It's Gihon! Okay. Cut X! That's good. Oh no! Is this the last? Why is there a baby crying? It's June 27, 2025. I might watch it, but I will not make a video. Like in 2021, I did not make a video when I was watching season 1. Also in 2024 when I was watching season 2. I just watched it today. Season 1 and season 2 for celebration for this. Plus I just see the thumbnail. So I just watch it. And let's see the comments. 10 hours ago. It's time to play the final games. Squid Game Season 3, June 27. Save the baby. Save the baby. Just gonna comment. I'm just gonna comment. Did he? Nope. But bye guys. I might watch it, but I will not record it. Okay, because last time I recorded season 1, I just failed because it's too long. So bye guys. See you in the next video.